What's up, guys? So today we're going to be going over the figure eight with the extra spin. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like, then I'm going to break it down. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is the figure eight with the extra spin. Alright, so now we're going to break that down. Alright, so what we're first going to do is we're just going to do a forward spin. Really simple, we're just going to do a forward spin right here. From here, we're going to take our hand and we're going to turn it around, turn it down, and we're doing a forward spin in this kind of weird position here. Alright, from here we're going to switch to the other side and do a forward spin. Alright, now we're back to our original forward spin. So we're just kind of turning our wrist here. Alright, so this is number one. We're going to go into number two. We're going to turn our wrist all the way down. Number two in a forward spin. And now we're going to go to number three. We're going to flip our wrist back the other way and spin it forward. That's number three. All right, let's go back to number one. Let's switch to number two. Now let's go into number three. Let's go to number one. Number two. Number three. Number one. Flip our wrist. Number two. Number three. Number one. Number two. Number three. All right. So now that we have that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shorten it. So instead of being here spinning it a few times, we're just gonna spin it maybe a couple times. 1, 2, flip. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we're just gonna spin it a couple times in each one. All right, and then once we have that, we're going to shorten it even more, and we're just going to spin it one time. So we're here, and this is what it's going to look like. All right, let's go ahead and let's switch sides. So we're going to do the same thing, forward spin. This is your number one. We're going to flip our wrist all the way down, forward spin number two, and we're going to flip to the other side. Forward spin number three. All right, let's go to number one. We're just doing a forward spin here. Number two, flipping our wrist down, spinning it forward. And then number three, we're coming to the other side and spinning it forward. All right, number one. Number two. And number three. Number one. Number two. And number three. Back to number one. All right, we're going to turn wrist down. Number two, move it all the way down, spin it forward. Number three. Number one. Number two, flip the wrist down. Number three, flip the wrist back. And then back to number one, flip the wrist again. So we're really just turning our wrist here. Number one. Number two. Number three. All right, and now we'll do the same thing where we just do a couple of spins each one. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, now we'll shorten even more, and we're just gonna do one spin. We're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just like this. All right, guys, that's the figure eight with the extra spin. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.